Hello everyone! What's up? It's your boy Verly, and today I just want to talk about something na medyo close sa heart ko. Have you ever heard Jack of all trades, master of none? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan sa vlog na to. Some people used to say it's like a bad thing, but for me, I am proud of it. You see guys, I dance, I do music, nag-remix ako ng music, I create content, I run a clothing brand. Halos lahat na lang ginagawa ko, di ba? And for a while, I used to question myself. Ang dami ko na bang ginagawa? Or should I stick or should I focus to one? Ano kaya? But here's what I realized. That quote, Jack of all trades, master of none, it's incomplete. Kulang siya. Ang full version ng quote na yon is Jack of all trades, master of none, but oftentimes better than master of one. And that hit me hard because it doesn't make you lost if you're able to do many things. It makes you limitless. Parang si Gojo, no? I love what I do and I do what I love. That is why hindi ko na pinapakialaman yung sinasabi ng ibang tao. Because at the end of the day, what matters most isn't their opinion. What matters most, it's how I feel while doing these things. Huwag mo nang isipin yung sinasabi ng ibang tao. Don't let the world put you in a box. So do what you love and love what you do. My goodness, yun lang dapat. You are capable. So ayun guys, much love, peace out, keep doing what you love. Until next vlog, stay limitless.